The most valuable thing in life isn't money. It's the one thing you can never get back. Time. An old man sat in his armchair, staring at a ticking clock on the wall. The rhythmic sound filled the quiet room, each tick a reminder of time slipping away. His son, a young man in his 20s, sat nearby, engrossed in his phone, oblivious to the world around him. The old man sighed deeply, his voice breaking the silence. "Son, put your phone down for a moment. I need to talk to you." The son looked up, startled by the seriousness in his father's tone, and set his phone aside. The old man began to speak, his voice heavy with emotion. "When I was your age, I thought I had all the time in the world. I told myself, I'll do it tomorrow. But tomorrow turned into next week, next month, next year. And before I knew it, decades had passed." He paused, his eyes distant as if reliving his past. "I wasted so much time on things that didn't matter. I slept late, hung out with people who added no value to my life, and ignored responsibilities. I had dreams, son. Big dreams. I wanted to start my own business, travel the world, write a book. But I kept waiting for the perfect time. That perfect time never came. But I kept waiting for the perfect time. That perfect time never came." He asked me to join him, but I hesitated. I told him I'd think about it. A week later, he started without me. That business became a huge success, and I watched from the sidelines, telling myself, I'll start something one day. But that day never came. The old man's voice cracked as he recalled another regret. "And your mother," the old man's voice cracked as he recalled another regret. "And your mother, I was so busy chasing things that didn't matter that I forgot to cherish the moments with her. Then she got sick, and suddenly, there was no more time." I sat by her side, holding her hand, realizing how many years I had wasted. All those moments I could have spent laughing with her, talking to her, making memories, gone forever. The son's eyes welled up with tears as his father's pain became his own. The old man leaned forward, his voice filled with urgency. "But you, my son, you still have time. Don't make the same mistakes I did. If you have a dream, start working on it today. If you love someone, spend time with them now. If you have a chance to learn something new, don't wait for tomorrow. Time doesn't wait for anyone. It moves forward, with or without us." He reached out and held his son's hand tightly, his eyes pleading. "Promise me, son. Promise me you won't waste your time like I did." The son, now deeply moved, nodded. Tears streamed down his face as he whispered, "I promise, Dad." Over the next few years, the son kept his promise. He started his own business, spent quality time with his family, and pursued his passions. One evening, he sat by his father's side holding his hand. The old man, now frail and weak, smiled faintly. "Did you keep your promise, son?" The son nodded, his voice steady. "Yes, Dad. I've started my own business. I've been spending more time with the people I love, and I've learned to appreciate every moment." The old man closed his eyes, a peaceful smile on his face. "Then I've done my job. Friends, time is the most precious gift we have. Don't waste it. Don't wait until it's too late to chase your dreams or spend time with loved ones." If this story touched your heart, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Story Arc for more inspiring stories.